Hi, I'm Maria Jaspers, and I'm the Director responsible for cartel enforcement at the European Commission in Brussels.
And I'm Manish Kumar. I'm the Deputy Assistant Attorney General for Criminal Enforcement at the DoJ's Antitrust Division. Cartels, or antitrust conspiracies, are serious violations of our respective laws. They damage our economies and harm businesses and consumers. We stand united in our common goal to fight cartels. This means working closely together, also with other jurisdictions, to detect, punish, and prevent cartels that transcend borders. Throughout the years, our agencies have imposed heavy sanctions on cartelists in a variety of different sectors. This is the core mission of our respective agencies, and one that we will continue to prioritize.
We have different means and channels at our disposal to detect and bring cartels to an end. Today we want to focus on one, our commitment to working with informants. Informants can be companies or employees that suspect that their suppliers, their customers, competitors, or employers are engaged in a cartel. Since cartels often operate in secrecy, informants can play a crucial role in bringing issues to our attention or gathering information that would allow us to start an investigation. We know that many companies are actively monitoring what happens on the market, including in their upstream and downstream supply chains. If you suspect that a price development, supply conditions, or a reluctance to offer services or products to your company could be due to an underlying illegal collusion, do not hesitate to speak to us. If your suspicions are confirmed, we can end the cartel, bring the cartelists to justice, and help restore fair market conditions. And if you are the victim of a cartel, you're also entitled to damages to compensate for the harm that you have suffered.
There are clear benefits to being aware of your supply chain. This is an important opportunity for cost savings for your business. We understand that coming forward can sometimes be daunting, as it may involve personal and professional risks. Rest assured that we take the utmost care to protect informants to the greatest extent permissible under the laws of our respective jurisdictions. Both our agencies have systems in place to ensure that information can be sent through secure channels and discussed in confidence. This includes anonymous reporting tools for those who do not want to disclose their identity, even to the agency. When we know the identity of an informant, we are ready to anonymize and protect that information. We will not disclose the identity or information provided by an informant without an agreement with that informant, unless we're required to do so by court order.
We are interested in your suspicions and the information that you can give us to back them up. We have dedicated teams in place with experienced colleagues who will listen to your concerns and guide you through the process. You do not need to have actual insights into the alleged cartel or concrete evidence to prove its existence. We will vet the information that you can provide before deciding whether we want to act on it. Just tell us what you know and answer the questions we may have, and we will take it from there.
You can find more information on our websites, including how to reach our respective teams. If you suspect that a possible cartel could cover both the United States and the European Union, then it is good to approach us in parallel. We have a great deal of experience in working together, and we know and trust each other, having successfully done this before. We also work closely with other agencies throughout the world and know that they share our goals. If either of us decides to act on your suspicions and believe that other jurisdictions might also be affected, we will coordinate that matter with you.
We have for a long time worked successfully together in global cartel investigations that were triggered through our leniency systems, where the cartelists themselves can report their conduct to us. This will continue. In addition, we have recently intensified our efforts to also cooperate on investigations outside the leniency regime. This means combining our forces in order to look for suspicious behavior, sharing and complementing intelligence generated by our agencies, and taking parallel investigative actions when possible and useful. Cooperating closely on intelligence that informants bring to our attention is therefore a natural step.
Cartels should not go unpunished. Those who have insights into or suspicions of a cartel should step forward to talk to us. Together, we can ensure a level playing field for businesses and a fair deal for consumers on both sides of the Atlantic.